What if I tell you that you can turn product promotion or recommendations into passive income? You're probably asking, how is that possible? Well, the simple short answer is affiliate marketing. If you aren't participating in affiliate marketing, it's time to consider taking advantage of this lucrative revenue stream. 1 point, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is the process of earning a commission by recommending other people or company products or services. If done right, affiliate marketing can help you create multiple streams of income. However, it is not easy and is not a get-rich-quick model of revenue. 2 point, how does affiliate marketing work? If you are looking to get your feet wet in affiliate marketing, here are a few things you should consider doing. Find and join an affiliate program. Choose which the product or service you want to promote. Obtain a unique affiliate link for each product or service. Share those links on your social media platforms, blog, or website. Once you join an affiliate program, the first step is to start promoting the products or services of that particular program by sharing it on your social media platforms, on your blog or website. You'll earn a commission each time someone purchases through the unique link associated with your recommendation. Quick note, not every company or brand offers affiliate programs. Some companies use an affiliate network, while others manage their own affiliate programs. There's 2 types of commissions you can earn, which are recurring, get paid every month. Flat one-time commission only happen once. The type of commission you earn will depend on the company and the offer you decide to promote. You can earn 5% of every sale on the low end, but with some arrangements with your affiliate partners, you can earn as much as 50%. It all depends on the company brand you decide to do business with. 3 point, how much money can you make as an affiliate marketer? The sky is the limit with how much you can make with affiliate marketing. Your success depends on how much time you invest in doing product research and generating traffic to the product or service you choose to promote. Here's a brief overview of how much money can you make as an affiliate marketer. Low-level affiliate, anywhere from $0 per day up to $100 per day. Intermediate affiliate, anywhere from $100 per day up to $2,500 per day. High-level affiliate, anything above $2,500 per day. You can make good money through affiliate marketing. And yes, you can even make money while you sleep. 4 point, what are the best affiliate marketing programs for beginners? If you have any ideas of a product or service you want to promote, visit the websites of that specific products or services. Scroll down to the bottom of the page website footer, you should see an affiliate link. 90% of companies that have an affiliate program will have a link in the footer of their site, and there you'll be able to join. Meanwhile, here are some of the most popular affiliate programs. Amazon Associates, Shopify Affiliate Program, ShareResale, ClickBank, Affiliate Network, AvantLink, CJ by Conversant, Flex Offers, Link Connector, Revenue Wire. There are hundreds of affiliate programs on the internet. If you already have a product or service you love, just reach out to the owner of that product or service and ask if they have an affiliate program. Quick note, most affiliate marketing programs will have terms and conditions that you need to follow, so take your time to read the fine print. For example, some affiliate programs don't allow you to purchase pay-per-click ads using their company name or product. 5 point, how to choose your first affiliate program. Before you choose a product or service to promote, make sure that your target audience would find it valuable. Does it fit with your area of expertise? The product you choose should be aligned with the audience you hope to build or currently have. A great example of what I'm trying to say is that a beauty blogger probably wouldn't be promoting tech products. A wide range of other products would make more sense, such as hair care products, skincare products, or even makeup kits. Also, make sure the service or product you're promoting is a good fit for the platform you're promoting it on. Keep in mind, if you're promoting more in-depth products like software, you'll have a better chance of converting people on longer form platforms like a blog or YouTube. 6 point, how to promote your affiliate offers. While your success with affiliate marketing can depend on the number of eyes you can get on your content, another way to drive higher converting traffic is by providing excellent quality reviews or tutorials on the offers you decide to promote. People often perform how-to searches on Google, such as how to make money online or how to decorate a living room. If you offer a tutorial or review that solves a searcher's problem, then you should create excellent quality content that showcases the value of the product. Your referrals will make much more sense in context, and you'll provide the customer with a stronger incentive to purchase the product you're recommending. Keyword research is key. The goal is to review products that people are actually searching. You don't want to spend time reviewing a product and find out nobody is interested in it. Therefore, If you're promoting an offer through a blog post, research which keywords someone might use in a search engine to find an answer to a related problem. SEMrush is a good tool that can help with your keywords research. It also offers plenty of analytics reports. You can try it for free. Consider your angle. The way you present a product offer will play a major part on how someone will want to try the product for themselves. Figure out how much energy and time you should invest in instructional or tutorial content. For example, you can do video unboxing of the product and share your experience with your audience. Or you can write a blog post to demonstrating the benefits of the product. Set your distribution strategy. Once you've written your promotional post, start your distribution process. Share it on your blog, website, or social media platforms. If you have an email list, create an email marketing campaign as well. There's a lot of amazing marketing tools out there that can make the distribution process very easy. Keep things legal and above board. Don't forget to disclose to visitor that your content contains affiliate links. For one thing, it's required by the FTC. But explaining the reason for your affiliation also can help you connect with your audience. 7. How can I start affiliate marketing with no money? While it is possible to get started with affiliate marketing with little or no money, if you really want to succeed, your money-making potential depends on whether or not you have the right tools. Therefore, you should be prepared to spend some money first. Think of it as a business investment. Since you're reading this, I assume that you have access to a computer that is connected to the internet. So the next step is to get your affiliate marketing business up and running. Pick a name for your website. You'll need a website, and for that, you need a domain name. You can register a domain name with Namecheap for less than $15 per year. Choose a web hosting provider. You'll need a place to host your new website online. You can purchase hosting with Bluehost for less than $5 per month. Choose your website platform. Now it's time to choose a website platform. I recommend you choose WordPress as your website platform. It's free and uses by more than 30% of internet users. You're all set. Just add contents with your unique affiliate links to your website, and you earn a commission each time someone purchases through the affiliate link associated with your recommendation. That is all there is to it. But I suggest you keep reading. Getting your website found on Google SERP can play a major role in your website's organic traffic growth. It will be impossible to make money with affiliate marketing if no one is finding your content. Amazing tool like SEMrush will help with your keywords research by letting you know what keywords people are searching for relating to your website topic. You can try it free for first few days. Stay in front of your audience with email marketing. Email marketing is a very important marketing tool. Most people will not click on your affiliate links or make a purchase the very first time they visit your website. An email marketing tool will allow you to capture their information with leads magnet, so you can later send out emails to get your audience to keep coming back to your website. ActiveCampaign has all the features that other premium platforms also have, but for price and their fast setup, it's totally a game changer. In a few steps, you can provision a marketing automation platform with all the capabilities. You can try it free for first few days. Outsourcing. Check out Upwork for freelancers and the skills that you're lacking. You can't expect to do everything yourself, and realistically, you can't expect to know everything about affiliate marketing. At some point, you might want to get some help by outsourcing some work. You can pay someone who has the skills and knowledge that you lack, maybe from writing in-depth reviews about a specific topic, improving your website design, and much more. Are you ready to take advantage of this lucrative revenue stream? Smart entrepreneurs are always searching for a way to grow and create multiple streams of income. If that sounds like you, you should consider taking advantage of this lucrative revenue stream. With affiliate marketing, you don't have to create your own products or services. All you need to do is join the best affiliate programs and start earning a commission each time someone purchases through your affiliate links. Affiliate marketing is not a get-quick-rich scheme, so don't expect quick results. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Although you don't have to be super smart to increase your affiliate sales, you need to work extremely hard if you want to succeed. In a nutshell, you must know how to sell to real people. You can't make that simply by promoting your products that your readers are not interested in. So what are your thoughts about this ultimate guide around affiliate marketing for beginners? Share your thoughts in the comments and please subscribe this channel.